upon a time, there lived a girl named Bawang Putih with her loving parents. They lived happily, but one day her mother passed away. Soon after, her father remarried a widow who had a daughter named Bawang Merah. Not long after, her father also passed away. Bawang Putih was left with her stepmother and Bawang Merah, who treated her badly.
Bawang Putih, wash the dishes, mop the floor, do our laundry at the river, and clean the entire house. Now, don't be slow. And clean my room too. Yes, mother. Yes, sister.
Even though she was treated unfairly, Bawang Putih stayed kind and patient, hoping that one day they would love her. While washing clothes, Bawang Putih accidentally lost her stepmother favorite shawl in the river.
Oh no, where is my mother favorite shawl? I hope to find.
As she looked for the shawl, she found a small hut and knocked on the door.
Excuse me. Yes, did you see a soul floating away?
Yes, I did. But I will only return it if you want to stay with me for a week. I've been lonely for a long time.
Alright, I will stay and help you.
During the week, Bawang Putih helped the old lady with everything. The old lady was very pleased. You are kind and humble girl. Here is your shawl. Please take one pumpkin as a gift.
I'll take the small one. I'm afraid I can't turn the big one.
Wise choice, dear. At home, Bawang Putih opened the pumpkin and it was filled with gold and jewels.
Hey, Bawang Putih, what is that? It's just pumpkin seeds. Let's open it. I want that too, mother. Yeah, of course, sweetheart. You go and find that old lady like a Bawang Putih did. Okay.
Bawang Merah went to the same hut, but unlike Bawang Putih, he was lazy and broke.
Here's your soul. Take one pumpkin as a gift. I'll take the biggest one. How?
Back home, they opened the pumpkin, but instead of treasure, it was full of snakes.
I got this. That's a fruit, Mom. Huh?
They were beaten and died tragically. When Bawang Putih returned, she found them lifeless. She was sad, but now free. Kindness brings blessing, but greed leads to disaster.